Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to turn on night light on Windows 10 PC. Click on the Start button. Go to Settings. Click on the System icon. In the left sidebar, click on Display tab. Under Nightlight section, click on Nightlight Settings link. Click on the Turn on Now button. That's it, Nightlight is turned on. You can use the slider to adjust the color temperature to your requirement. This is how you can turn on Nightlight on Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching.